If you're curious about caffeine levels in coffee, it's probably because you want a lot of it. So I'm gonna tell you the different caffeine levels in different types of coffee. Is there caffeine in decaf coffee? Yes, actually, but a very, very small amount, about 3 to 4 milligrams. Next up, a classic espresso shot, coming in at 64 milligrams of caffeine. Compare that to a 12-ounce can of Coca-Cola, which has 34 milligrams of caffeine. The fine grind of espresso adds a lot more flavor, but once we go into the coarser grinds of drip coffee or cold brew, we're getting into more caffeine. For the real caffeine hunters, a cup of cold brew, about 16 ounces, can have as much as 200 milligrams of caffeine. Cold brew coffee is usually brewed as a concentrate that you can water down later, but if you want all that punch, have at it. The amount of caffeine can also depend on the type of coffee bean. The coffee bean that we most commonly drink at cafes or home would be an Arabica bean, coming in at around 2 milligrams of caffeine per bean. A little bit more caffeine per bean would be a Robusta coffee bean, at around 3 milligrams. And there you have it. Do with that information what you will, you silly little caffeines. I do not take responsibility for the energy you're about to give yourselves.